Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ServiceNow for project approvals and workflow tracking, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate ServiceNow for project approvals and workflow tracking, start by logging into your ServiceNow instance. Navigate to the application navigator on the left-hand side of the screen. Type workflow in the filter navigator and select the option labeled workflows. Click on the Create New button to begin. In the Workflow Designer, give your new workflow a relevant name. Define the trigger for your workflow by selecting the appropriate option from the trigger types available. Add a new activity to your workflow by dragging the desired activity from the palette to the workflow canvas. Configure the activity by clicking on it and filling in the required fields in the Properties panel. Continue to add additional activities to your workflow as needed, ensuring each step aligns with your project approval. Establish transitions between activities by connecting them with arrows to define the workflow sequence. To set up approval conditions, add an approval activity and specify the criteria for project approval. Ensure that notifications are configured by adding a notification activity where alerts will be sent to stakeholders. Save your workflow by clicking the Save button located in the upper right corner of the Workflow Designer. Once saved, publish your workflow to make it active and available for use. Test the workflow by manually initiating it to ensure all steps are functioning as intended. Monitor the workflow execution through the workflow editor by selecting View in the appropriate workflow. Review the performance and make adjustments as necessary to optimize the workflow tracking. Document the workflow and its processes for future reference and training of team members. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.